Deep in a digital jungle of data, an AI flagged something biologists couldn't explain. The system had scanned millions of wildlife recordings when it found a creature that shouldn't exist. It wasn't a glitch nor a mislabel. This was something different, something entirely off the charts. Motion-triggered footage revealed a blur moving unnaturally fast, then pausing in impossible statue-like stillness. At first glance, it resembled a cat, but with limbs too long and pupils too square. Its body shifted color like a cuttlefish, blending into the surroundings even mid-stride across dry leaves. The footage came from a South American rainforest where no known species matches the silhouette. Biologists debated whether it was an undiscovered predator or simply camera distortion causing mistaken identity. But then came a second video miles away showing the same animal pacing in moonlight. This time, thermal imaging revealed a heat signature inconsistent with any mammal, bird or reptile. AI deep scanned the footage frame by frame, identifying movement patterns beyond what organic muscles typically allow. Some researchers suspected it might be a hybrid, a result of crossbreeding from climate-stressed populations. Others wondered if it was something darker, a bioform altered by illegal genetic experimentation. Still, a few dared to whisper it could be a relic species hiding for centuries. AI simulations ran millions of ecological models, but none predicted a stable niche for this creature. That's when one researcher noticed the background noise, a strange pulse only audible in slowed playback. Analyzing that frequency revealed a signature not found in any known species vocalization databases. The sound was rhythmic, almost patterned like sonar, but emitted from land and not marine sources. Theories spiraled out of control: alien origin, cryptid resurfacing, and synthetic lifeform released without public knowledge. Still, the AI kept insisting this species was real, not fantasy, and potentially reproducing in the wild. It suggested specific coordinates for further investigation, predicting high reappearance probability within a narrow temperature band. A drone was deployed, scanning treetops, canopies and heat trails along riverbanks and mossy rock walls. After 3 silent days, the drone caught it, the creature blinking toward the lens, then vanishing. This blink, when zoomed in, revealed something chilling: eyes with no irises, only reflective black voids. The AI concluded this adaptation helped the species hunt in extreme darkness, or perhaps manipulate prey. Skeptics dismissed the footage, calling it elaborate CGI or corrupted environmental data inputs. But biologists found claw marks embedded in trees far too deep for any known predator nearby. They matched no jaguar, ocelot, or monkey. This was something with leverage and strength beyond expectations. Then the AI generated a composite model of the creature based on motion, size, and thermal data. It resembled nothing on Earth, yet behaved with eerie intent, like it understood when it was being watched. The composite was leaked online, and viewers immediately drew comparisons to mythic beings from Amazonian lore. Some indigenous elders claimed their ancestors feared a shape-shifting spirit that hid by mimicking forest shadows. Could this be that myth captured on a digital frame centuries after the last story was told? One researcher warned that if this species truly evolved unseen, it may resist any human interaction entirely. Another worried it wasn't natural evolution at all, but the result of rogue AI designing organisms. As debate raged, the footage vanished from official databases and search drones were suddenly grounded indefinitely. The AI that discovered it has since been reassigned, stripped of wildlife detection capabilities overnight. Some believe it found something governments weren't ready to acknowledge or simply couldn't control if it spread. Was this a biological ghost slipping between scientific definition and technological detection, never meant to be seen? Or are we witnessing the rise of organisms no longer shaped by nature but by algorithms? Either way, Earth's evolutionary story might no longer be written solely by time and survival, because now it seems even machines can discover species that were never meant to exist.